Hey guys, so this video I'm going to show you how to take your lecture PowerPoints or PDFs and make them into Word documents that you can then edit and add pictures to and make into nice study guides. So let's say first it's going to depend what file your teacher uploads the PowerPoints as. If they are a PowerPoint, then you're good to start. If they're a PDF, you need to convert them to a PowerPoint. To do that, we can use this website, Convertio. You choose the file, which will be whatever PDF, so let's use this one. And then you'll convert it to Presentation PPT. Once you do that, you convert, you download it, and then you can start. So let's say we have our PPT file and we want to get it into a nice Word document outline. So you're going to come over to your PowerPoint. You're going to go to, my notification's popping up. You're going to go to your view. You're going to go to outline view, click that. So what that does is it converts the slides into sort of an outline. So we're going to click over here and click Command A if you're on a Mac, or Control A if you're on Windows, and Command or Control C. And then we're going to come over and we're going to Control or Command B. Okay, so great. So here is all of our information. So then the other thing that we'll have to do is format it how we want to. So first thing, maybe I don't want the whole thing bold. Maybe I want this title bold. Maybe I don't like these. Maybe I don't like those. So I have to, you can change them. Maybe under, I think I have to make it bigger. I think that's the problem. Yeah, here we go. So then you can make this, into the dots. So you'll have to go through and reformat. But this just saved you all this time typing out all these notes. So I hope that you guys found this helpful. This is just like a quick tip. So, all right. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.